There's two things you need to know. Number one, I'm a Swiftie. That's my evidence. Number two, and I work with wood sometimes. Right now, for instance, I was making these coaster things, but I was doing them and I realized the colors on them are totally giving the Torture Poets apartment. I'm gonna show you. I was sanding these earlier and I was like, this is such, like, it gives it off like it's dusty and like sad, but like this one, when it's really dusty, it looks like her pictures, like the ones she's been posting with the new album covers, they look so dusty and sad. And this one, like they're full of character, but the character is very sad. And this, it looks like it's full of character, but it's so sad. Maybe I'm completely delusional. Who knows? That could be a factor for sure. But let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.